Today we're in the shop milling a Turner's cube, learning how to use a CNC machine. We're on a Tormach PCNC 770. In this video, I'll share my CAD and CAM as well as my part setup, tooling, and speeds and feeds. Thanks for joining me. I'm clamping my piece of 2-inch extruded aluminum into the vise, and I'm finding the work offset with the edge finder. I have it sitting on a parallel on one side with a piece of TIG rod on the other side, and this is a piece of advice I saw on a This Old Tony video. I programmed the conversational interface to use the 1/4-inch end mill to face off the top of this block, and I'll do that to each of the 6 sides. For most of these operations, I'm using a 1/4-inch end mill because that's what I have. In the future, I'd love to get some other tooling like a Superfly to make a faster job and give me a better surface finish. I'm getting started in Fusion 360 with the sketch, and in this sketch, I just found dimensions on Google that I calculated to fit my cube size, and that's what I'm starting with. From there, I extruded the shape into all the dimensions, added some chamfers, and that's pretty much what I call my model. I'm new to Fusion 360, so I'm not going into depth on laying this out because I don't even know what I'm doing. All of the learning about CNC and machining that I've done has been from reading, trial and error, and watching other people on YouTube. Keeping that in mind, I'm just trying to share what I'm learning, and hopefully this will be useful to someone else. When you see me put speeds and feeds or any other information on the screen, I'm doing that so I can get feedback from you. If you see something that I could do better, let me know down in the comments. We'll finish this out with the side-by-side of the cube milling on the Tormach as well as the cam in Fusion 360. What you're watching is a complete setup for milling one side of the cube. I'll repeat this for the rest of the 5 sides to get a finished Turner's cube. To see some finished work, you'll have to hit subscribe and come back for more videos. Thanks for watching.